Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Dodge Avenger. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on, powering up the Uconnect system. It's also a good idea to have your mobile device fully charged and within easy reach. This initial preparation will make the pairing process smooth and straightforward, allowing you to focus entirely on the steps ahead without any interruptions. We're aiming for a seamless connection. Next, let's get your Avenger's Uconnect system ready for pairing. Locate and press the phone button on your dashboard. This action will bring up the phone menu on your display screen. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Pair Device or Add Device. The system will then indicate that it's actively searching for a new Bluetooth device, often with a clear message on the screen. This step is crucial for your phone to find the car. Now, turn your attention to your mobile device. Go into its settings menu and find the Bluetooth options. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and then initiate a search for available devices. You should see your Dodge Avenger's Uconnect system appear in the list, typically identified by Uconnect or Dodge Avenger. Select it, and your Avenger's screen will display a unique 4-digit PIN. Enter this exact PIN into your phone to authorize the connection. This secures your pairing. Finally, confirm the pairing request on both your mobile device and the Uconnect system. You might see a prompt on your phone asking to allow access to contacts or messages. Accept these for full functionality. Give the devices a few moments, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to establish a stable connection. Once successfully paired, you'll be able to enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio directly through your Avenger's sound system, enhancing your driving experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.